Alright, good evening, everybody. Good evening. Hope you're all doing good. Alright, would Alright, let's see if anybody's saying anything. I gotta go in the kitchen and clean up real quick and cook.
Never before seen, June 17th, and for the greater part of 2 weeks, we finally breached it with some serious oomph, and we pretty much got ourselves a bullish Mara Bazoo on the close. Just wonderful. Bullish domination all day. $18,000 closing above that level for the first time, literally ever. I don't like, it's just, does no one care? I mean, this is as hype as like someone coming in, like, you know, crypto hoarder coming in, throwing down a G note in stream. It's more hype than that, dude. Y'all should be freaking out. I mean, I guess if you're allocated properly, you're exposed to this market, times to make money, times not to lose money. You've been in making money mode for months now. Not in crypto, it's been the inverse. It's been, wow, you're getting chopped up if you're trying anything cute. Yeah, G-Dog, no interest. The S-Gem, yep, it was Guz. IWM, yeah, you know, the XRP of the index funds. Garbage, up 0.34%. But look where they are, look where we are. I mean, somehow what they're doing, they're just kind of regarding this $200 level as support. And you're just right there. Again, you're looking for individual assets. You're not looking to long the IWM. You can, but it's going to woefully underperform individual stocks that you like. Okay, those are your big four index funds. Let's knock out gold real quick. You want to see gold? It's just kind of rectangling, flagging it sideways, man. Where the composite man probably wants you to see this as momentum shift, but it's just hard to put two and two together where, okay, you're trying to show me Momo shift to the downside, but we know the central banks are the composite operators and all they do is buy this stuff. And it's record levels every year going on 3 years now. So it's going to be really hard to fool me to make me think it's really over for gold here with the lower highs locally. I mean, that engulfing candle is still valid from June 27th. Gold's good, man. Just looking at it briefly. Here's your silver. Back on supply line breakout. Watch, right? 2 anchor points, then a false bullish breakout, and now we're back at it. Tested it yesterday to no avail, and we now have a new candle. Maybe they're confirming once and twice here that the bottom's in, that what this one April 15th high has now flipped to support. It kind of looks like it a little bit. Okay. Here are your futures, if you care. S&P top left, top right, the Dow Jones, bottom left, NASDAQ 100, bottom right, IWM futures. Flat on the new open. Exciting times, man. Forgot to look at total. Jonathan, you okay, man? I know you're probably... Jonathan's on live support. Pray for Jonathan.
I like turtles.
Yeah. confirmed breakout on the bi-yearly close. That was days ago. And here it is, the new 6-month candle, a little data just hanging around. Here is your daily. Still, yes, lower highs. Ugh, gross. But alligator blood, certainly alligator blood, where you're back above 2.21. You're safe until that breaks. For real. Yeah, it looks more toppy than bottomy, for sure. I understand that. I think a lot of people get that too. It could be over for Bitcoin and crypto for a while. It could be, or we're literally at the bottom right now. This is the bottom. That's where I think we are. I mean, I don't act like I know where things are going next, and I don't think there's really much of an edge at all in crypto. I mean, dude, we have a framework, and if like value is in reaccumulation, like higher lows, structural developments, this one, someone could consider it downsloping consolidation, sure. At the same time, there are Wyckoff distribution bros, and I think that it is really tough right now to try to be making calls on the short-term directionality of crypto as a whole. Like, we could easily dump just as easily as the bottom could be getting put in, and we're about to pump.
Sipto Sharknado tipped $25. Hey good sir, can we look at NNDM on high frame like a 2-week PEP APLS PEP APLS PEP APLS?
What a day, man, for the portfolio. All-time highs here. How about you? Oh no, you're in Pundy Coin. Get wrecked, dude. Hey, Crypto Sharknado, thanks to 25. We will certainly look at NNDM. Much love. You just became the session top Jesus by $1. Let's go. Oh yeah, what's the first one? Reef. Tepid loser S-coin that provides no value to this world, no service to this world. It is a joke. It is a loser. Support broke and it collapsed to pretty much the next support. So that's cool. There's a respect to the TA in that regard, but there was an M shape. Type 2, it rallied and then just too much supply. Bitcoin sucked. Dump back level. It's like no more confidence, and it's just, think about Reef from its high to its low here at a 46% loss in 13 days. Great depression for crypto. Great depression for loser scam coins.
Hey, yo, cheers, everybody. Oh, cheers. Cheers, beautiful. Definitely cheers, my love.
Wow.
Do you want a border or are you good?
Yeah, I'll have one. And now they're trying to say that she's a hacker just because she played the game.
Yeah, dude, I'm a Reef holder. June 10th, 2023. 1.3 tenths of 1 cent. It's currently at 1.4 tenths of 1 cent. So I look at this and I say, I don't care if it rallies here. I just don't care. I'm not putting my money in this. It's a scam. But yeah, sure. No one here is saying that it couldn't bounce here because we're near all-time lows again for the 50th time. Of course it could rally. But dude, you said it was a scam. It's still going to be a scam if it pumps to 1.9 tenths of 1 penny and puts in its lowest high of the correction. So yeah, man, there's a chance it could rally here. It only has a chance if Bitcoin rallies. That's it. And even if Bitcoin rallies, it is still not ensured that this joke will rally. Reef underwater, literally. But this reef has been bleached by climate change. That's it. Mr. Chicken, he said living in California has become a joke. Dude, yeah, if you are in a top tax bracket and you're paying literally over half your money to a fraudulent scam government, the government in California is as scammy as any S-coin, the worst S-coin you could imagine. There is that much fraud going on there. No accountability. Yes. I couldn't imagine, man, trying to live in California. You got to be born and raised there. That's the only way you would stay there. Your family's there. That's it. You got roots there. And you can't help it that you have roots there. That's the only way I can see someone living there. Or you're like extremely ultra wealthy actor, Silicon Valley, you know, whatever. Where like money just doesn't matter. They take 51% of your money, it doesn't matter. Still hundreds of millions and billions, whatever. Yeah, sure, those people are insulated from reality. And those are the people that are very opinionated for the rest of Americans that live normal lives. Yeah, it is like Richard Schuller is the governor of California. I mean, same thing, yeah, pretty much. He did the exact same thing. We got a crypto scam cult, and then we have a government. No accountability on either side, clearly. Okay, so that was a request. Todd wanted communist Chinese Reddit. That did make all-time highs today. It is kind of crazy. They're doing things, man. Thanks Jesus Chimes for Reddit. Thing was up 10%. All-time highs on the close, right? Not intraday. Intraday will probably be tomorrow. That's how close you are. Where, you know, just a few days after the IPO, Reddit ran all the way to 74.74. Repeating, of course, 74.75. There you go. On deck. No structure, really, right? It's just, I do like a low here, and I like a higher low subtly. Yeah, you're uptrending. Things are turning around. I mean, maybe we could try to plot a channel. I don't know. I don't think it would make any sense. Like the anchor points wouldn't really matter. Like if I do that, oh, it broke, and then I guess it recaptured. You want to look at it like that? We can. I mean, I'm trying to make sense of something with nothing. There you go. There's your Reddit. All right. Have your alerts set up, I guess. I'll mount up. Cool. Huge green candle today. Tips Fedora. Yeah, that's Reddit. A bunch of neckbeard, fedora wearing cucks. All right. NNDM for Crypto Sharknado. Nano Dimension Limited. It's certainly limited. Okay, I'll give you that. Okay. I do have memory of this place. I get why you requested it, because this is it, dude. Whoa. Whoa, dude. This music's kind of eerie. Nano dimensions, man. It's the nanos. Sorry. I don't know, dude. You look at these. I don't see any price action correlating to the support that really makes me confident right now. You could certainly monitor it if you want to, but I wouldn't be buying this crap right now. Like it, yeah, like in fact, if we just really kind of scale out, you can see right here, that's the low. That was where the beginning of the range started. May of 2022, violated, recaptured, then formally back tested before running insanely, violated, recaptured, and ran, and now look at you. That is the lowest daily candle close on NMDM since January 18th.
Can you look at people on daily and weekly? Thank you, Mitch. Cool face.
Hello, Mugs. Thank you for the 20. We can look at PayPal. Yes. We'll do the thing. Is this? I don't think this is a Kathy Woods ARC asset. I have her whole portfolio. Nah. No NNDM for Kathy. But she does, her biggest holdings Tesla, I think. So she kind of hit it big today. DNA did well. That's about it. Everything else is meh. Shopify did okay. Yep. So confirmed bearish breakdown with a candle close and 6-month lows on the close. That is your Nano Dimension Limited. Very eerie music. Sheesh. could be redistribution. Like, it's that ugly. Like, you're trading below the 200 moving average, 200 moving average down sloping. I'm not saying to go short at a support literally ever, really, but this is the makings of a collapse. It's nasty. They've tried too many times. I mean, think about how many days this level has been a support. 787 days, and now you're just back at it after, like, here's the highest high, here's a lower high, here's an even lower high, rejecting the 200. I mean, this is just asking to collapse down to 140. I wouldn't touch this crap, but good luck. Go ahead. I mean, you want to take your long, then fine. You're about to get stopped out real fast, probably. I'm good. I'm looking where animal spirits might be, or where they're accumulating, and it's so real I can literally taste it. Oh yeah, the reaccumulation or the accumulation structure tastes like accumulation. It's like the snozberries taste like snozberries, but for the signature of the composite operator. This is inverse fizzy lifting drinks. Yes. Okay. No thanks. I'm good. But hey, you know, I might be a little intrigued. I go to EA and I see, dang man, that's interesting. So long we've been just stuck, but just one low, a second low, a third low, and it's visible on the weekly, and there's hidden bullish divergence on the third valley. Dang man. How about? Oops, wrong one. TTE. Good God, man. Look at this thing. There's this old high from 2018. Look at this trend. Oh, wow. So we have an uptrend. Yes, unlike what we just looked at, the other garbage. They broke the level. They pretty much back-tested it. They back-tested the demand line. Was oversold. Back above the 200 simple moving average. The highest low of the entire uptrend. Oh, okay. That's something I can maybe get behind. That's a good argument. I mean, they're just ones out there that just have good arguments, and they're ones that are just like, yeah, it's at support. Same support for 787 days. Not really great. And then, yeah, like AMD is interesting. It's like, okay, I'm never going to probably look at that crap again. I mean, the one that's at that support, I just, no thanks. But I look at AMD and I'm like, hey, they just put in kind of a bullish engulfing Marabazoo today. They just recaptured the level of all levels from 2021. It was resistance, then it was support for going to all-time highs. And just Chop City, it's been real bad. It's gross. But the sellers, where are they? They tried. They did a really good job, didn't they? And then a rally, and then the valley, and then this valley is higher than this valley. And anything above 163 is insanely good. Like, could be it's time for a gap fill at 207. That's a good target if this is real. And in the coming days, we're going to find out if it's real or if it's just more chop. Right? Tesla had all kinds of chop at its own major inflection point, right? So what we want to see, if you really want to have some good conviction on AMD, is maybe it runs a little bit, but then we get a little back test, and we get it, and it's real. Like that. Like, it's undeniable like Tesla, right? It's undeniable, man. Well, that's not working, is it? You can't. Undeniable.
Hey, yo, cheers,
Like, you know,
everybody.
the chop. It's just like AMD, right? But this and then that. Would you look at that? Once you start getting involved through offense, okay, time to strike. Any of these days, you know, like that's your chance to take a long, set up a stop loss strategically, and see what happens. So we are getting in there. AMD, don't sleep on it, man. Please have your alert set up just to be reminded if it's going higher. Got to keep monitoring it. All right, PayPal on the daily and the weekly.
Yo, cheers, everybody. Yo, cheers. Cheers, beautiful.
17 minutes to your close. Oh, boy. It's like no animal spirits. No one wants to buy it. The freaking buyers have all these opportunities. Opportunity after opportunity after. And no. And so they finally say, you know what, man, 3 times, I'm done. See, this is what I mean, like, about, like, sellers, buyers and sellers just give up. Like, you look at it like this, like, they're just done, dude. Were you kidding me? Inverse head and shoulders at support. Here's one low. Here's the whole second low. That's like Solana right now. We're almost looking at a Solana chart when you flip over the PayPal chart. Just too much, man. I'm not selling anymore. We can't break it. There's not enough of us. There's too many buyers. And unfortunately, in this case, it's the other way around. It's like the trend is just too bad. You are now in dire levels. You are dangerous levels for complete invalidation of any sort of turnaround on PayPal. You put in the lowest highs by far. Yeah, this is like a big old nasty bear trend, and it's kind of been reconfirmed with the new data. Yeah, there was a trade setup posted, in March, down at these levels, because it looked kind of good, and it ran to the next level, but this data tells you all you need to know about the situation. It's very bad. I mean, far less market participants that own this asset than they did right here. That is massive distribution. So there is no composite operator. Be very mindful. There is no composite operator that has an ongoing buying campaign on PayPal right now, and this confirms it. That's the most recent data. It's terrible. There's a gap fill up here. Looks like it was a breakaway gap, because they're not filling that anytime soon after this type of crap. So good luck, man. I mean, there's always miracles that come in, dude. Daily, thousands of charts. There's going to be a miracle out there, but you're getting to a point where dangerous, very dangerous. Below $57, see it 42 eventually, as the extremely bearish trend continues. So it was better back, again in March. It ran and then miserably underperformed. And that is again, a piece of data that tells the story. No composite man wants this garbage. Mark it down. Maybe the composite man will come in at $42. Chat, you dead as ever. Thanks for being dead. Thank y'all. Well, I mean, not gonna stop me from making money. Just wish, this is what sucks about this whole thing. Okay, if Bitcoin's not going up, the whole thing's dead. No one cares about Apple, Amazon, Google, Nvidia. Don't care. Tesla, TSLL up 20% today. Doesn't matter. Bitcoin's not moving, so don't care. That's poverty mentality, man. Really poverty. And that's the masses. Because the masses don't show up unless Bitcoin does something. All right, so we want to look at more Cathie Wood stuff. This is one of her holdings called DNA. Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings. It was up 7.2% today, chat. I can't even tell. Down 2% after hours. That's the worst. I think what she did was she kind of maybe bought at 120, 113 or something and thought it was going to do it. It didn't have a stop loss set up, and then she had such a luxurious bearish back test rise. Really, she had another chance too to just get the F out right there. I mean, since that perfect bearish back test, DNA lost 76% of its value in 55 days. That's unfathomable in this market. Or number go up on big tech. I think she's just getting cute. She's like, oh yeah, I'm for the future, and this is her future. I'm for the 5-year outlook, as things are down 76% in 50 days. Okay, Shopify though, pretty cool, not bad. I mean, this one's it crashed on earnings, but they recaptured 59.50. That's a really big level. It's been rallying off of that. Probably gonna get a gap fill eventually, around $77. I would possibly take a long or post a trade setup on this asset if we got something like this, because then we would get this very real confirmed higher low, but it's connected. It's like a local confirmation low, right? And it would be like back testing 59.50 as support, because when they recaptured it, there's not been a formal real back test. So I would really feel comfortable about Shopify myself taking maybe a little long, or posting a trade setup to patrons if we got maybe closer to 59.50 again for that second test. That'd be cool. But anyway, this is just looking at Kathy Wood stuff, dude. Hey, Ryan M and Anthony C, thank y'all for joining the Patreon the past 24 hours. Really appreciate that. It's the second of the month, so it's the second best day to join the Patreon, where you get access to the trade setups, access to my charts, where I'm extremely active. I'm posting there daily. I try to post, like, if I see something, it's like, if you see something, say something. That's what I kind of try to do in Charts Only. If there's an event or an occurrence, a bullish or bearish thing that occurs on a chart, I try to ping you. Then you get access to the premium Discord chat. So 100% crowdsourced stream. It's just my trades. And y'all, I don't accept money from Polkadot like these other jokes that are bigger than me. They have more relevance, more clout than me, I think. And they take money from crypto scams. So, yeah. Choose your fighter. That's what you're doing in this day and age. Like the influencer you watch, because who's watching fake news and garbage actual cable television now? No, it's like you pick your fighter, your influencer, the person who you listen to every day. You want someone with integrity, so you want to support them anyway. Exos, here's another Kathy Woods owned asset in her ARC. Dude, it's bad, man. She could have just gone all in on Tesla and probably been okay. Redeemed herself in 48 hours, but she chose another route. Got nothing to say. 38.99. Yeah, that's a key level incoming. I will wait for that until I literally don't touch it.
Thanks, man. Keep it up.
I bet one than two things. $5 super chat. Much love, man. Really appreciate that. I will. Look at this harmonic dud, right? Try to identify an M shape, and it doesn't even happen. Like, there's not even really a type 1. It just failed. It was a good spot. I think it's just because Kathy Wood owns it, and there are people that are just bounty hunters. They're like, oh, what? I'm talking like institutional money. They're like, oh, what does Kathy own? Dumb
Hi,
pics.
Mitch. Thanks for the ad-free TA. Is too late for us schmucks to get in on Mag 7?
I wouldn't call you a schmuck. Gotta pee. Thank you for the 5 in your name. 5 super chats. Is it too late? You're getting there, man. You're certainly getting there. But multi-year breakouts on high volume. For real. Like Amazon, not too far removed from its 2021 highs. Apple, too. I don't think they're done going higher. But to strategize and enter the stop loss, yeah, you're pretty far away from being able to do that. Applying the framework taught here, yeah, they don't hard to do that, because if you're in impulse mode, it's over. There's no real time when you're in impulse mode, when price is marking up and marking down, where you take action. Really, you take action in consolidation phases. So this is another Kathy Woods winner. Square. Doing a little better than PayPal. But dude, I mean, just dead money. June 2022. It's now July 2024. Same price. Same price it was June of 2018. I mean, they might be reaccumulating here. It could be a right angled and descending broadening formation. It's just sideways forever. T-Doc. Oh my God. Dude, she has to be some sort of meme, some sort of entity that's like she was created to lose money, you know, like manifest destiny, but for going bankrupt. T-Dog, I remember her like this whole way down, her buying more and more and more, and I haven't been on this chart in so long, and I almost vomited all over my keyboard looking at this. Look at this. Okay, Teladoc. Yes, today. Lowest price since 2016, but just wait till we see all-time lows. I can't even believe it, man. Literally today, the lowest low in 8 years. Today, not yesterday too. Yesterday was the lowest low in 8 years. Today also. What's the strategy, Kathy? What was the strat? Well, we're just gonna dollar cost this is what she does. She dollar cost average in assets that are just in secular downtrends. You dollar cost average into Walmart, Amazon, higher highs, higher lows forever. All right, I'm trying to get through it, man. Let's see if maybe look, dude, we're not even halfway through her list yet. Let's see if she got some redeeming assets. Unfortunately, we've already looked at the ones that were up today. This is one of the ones up. Twilio, that's a racist organization. They hire based on identity and not based on merit. Oh, I'm sure this is probably a good looking chart. Well, they recapture the level. I mean, look where we are. Well, I mean, I don't know you could ever want to own it ever, but I mean, $70 is the line in the sand on the technical. So yeah, above 70, you got a chance. But it's at the same price it was at November 2022. So cool. It's up 0.83% today. But don't let them tell you that it wasn't coming out off of the lowest price seen since October 2023. Okay, so a little better. Okay, next one. Well, dang, these didn't play out right. Identification of the rising valleys, identification of head and shoulders, and it collapsed. And, well, if you're Kathy Woods and you own, not good. I mean, if you're a trader and you're trading patterns, cool, but this isn't good, right? I mean, no, this isn't good. I think she, like, bought right before earnings. Hold on. Didn't she? Please, someone back me up on that. I'm almost... my memory coming back to me. She like bought UI. I'm not kidding. She bought UI in May, and then like the next day, rugged. Chip Flipper. This is literally her fund. These are the assets that she has to legally show that she owns in her portfolio. And you can like own ARG, or you can like let her this is her managing your money. This is like utter and blatant mismanagement. Okay, this one's actually kind of maybe, here we go, right? And before earnings, and it's dead, but like, yeah, an M shape, and then you had type 2, and now maybe the highest low down here. What's up, Downforce Dell? How you doing, man, on Twitch? I think you might be the only person. Oh, Error Random's on Twitch. It's just y'all two. Y'all should go on a friend date. Y'all should be Twitch bros. Yeah, that's it, man. This is like, okay, maybe they're reaccumulating on Roblox. Maybe. Unfortunately, you're not close enough to a level where you can strategize an entry. You were in the dead middle of a range, so... Alright, not too bad, I guess. Could be like Robinhood. Robinhood's a good one. DraftKings, I think the party is over. It very well could be over. This right here is a beautiful indication of that. You put in the head and shoulders. You hit the 618 like the Jesus. It was one of the most incredible setups we've ever seen on financial markets. Mother Liquor, thank you so much for the follow on Twitch. Thank you, dude. Yeah, beautiful, glorious setup that manifested into face melting rally at over tripled in value, quadrupled in value, and then the structure developed, and then yeah, it kind of was a fake out, recaptured the neckline, but that right there, it's just, how do you ignore a 44.61 inflection point being formally back tested as resistance, and at the same time it ends up being the third peak. So this happens. You go from Momo shift into distribution. You have a low and you have a lower low. So you're below the 200 moving average. This is where, hey, if you were blessed enough to be in on this, this is probably a good signal to maybe be out, to be done with DraftKings. Until we get back above 44.61 and a setup occurs. But for now, this is indication of the trend reversing. Consecutive lower highs, and now we have a couple lower lows, and now again below the 200, below the inflection points after seeing a 61.8% retrace. Ignoring that, good luck, dude. But what a ride, man. One of the most incredible setups ever. We honor DraftKings for that. Intelia. Wow, this is another one. You know it's probably coming here. This is this disgusting. This is what altcoins look like in nasty bear trends. Just testing the 200 as resistance, confirming distribution, 1, 2, resistance is resistance, and then locally, look at this garbage. Just one high, then the second. Oh, well, look, it's confirmed the lowest highs of entire effing downtrend. Such a lack of demand that the market participants aren't even able to touch or test that 200 this time. Utter garbage. Kathy is on crack, man. Kathy and Hunter, teammates, obviously. But Robinhood, okay, that's a good one. Robinhood's fine. I mean, this is good. This is kind of like Roblox a little bit, maybe, Maybe. All right. Still up there. There's no real resistance. It pulls back. Yeah, it pulls back, and it's not going to be because it hit over at resistance for real. Not really. Zoom. Dude, this is like the worst thing you could ever see on a chart. Do you see this? Like this level in the sand, the $60 level. April of 2019, it's there. It's not opinion, it's fact. If I put this chart in front of freaking George Washington, he'd be like, yeah. Yeah, dude, that's it. And what are they doing at this level? Pretty much back testing as resistance. Bearish engulfing candle, down 1.47% today. So you pretty much rejected a level that's pretty much been support, and then only lower highs after. Look at this, just complete trash. Below the 200, down sloping. It's the worst. Zoom video, see what... You pick a number. It's probably where it's going. $50? Yeah, $50 Zoom video on deck, man. I just want you all to, get a good glimpse of, what else we got going on. We already looked at the big winners, man. The Kangs. Oh yeah, you want to go look at a bunch of scam S coins? Because we're looking at them, but on the stock market. CRISPR Therapeutics. Whatever. I don't see it, $40, I guess. No trend, but garbage. Back below the 200 moving average. Just nah. How about Roku? Trying to hang on. Definitely some bullish divergence that played out with this rally off $52. Yeah, maybe this is one of the best, and it's trash. One of the best. We're almost done, okay? Beam, oh my God. The things that you want to see if we flip the chart over on all these assets, that's what you want to see. Like, dang, man, look at this V-shaped recovery. And now the buyers are back testing the 200 moving average as support with a beautiful bullish, I don't know, that's a bullish doji reversal right there. Probably gonna head 1920, maybe in 1430. This is great. What a trend, man. What an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, the V shape. But it's this. It's like the worst. Coinbase down 2.5%. Yeah, this is just gonna do what Bitcoin does. I mean, this is Kathy Wood's only hope. I mean, one of them anyway. Like, you got a good uptrend going on. You got the, reaccumulation. You got the bullish back test, the 205, 212 going on. You just got to pray for Bitcoin on this one. One of the only few that actually has the right trend for an asset you want to hold long term. Everything else is really, it's like a scam. She's like, scammed you. Give me my money so I can lose it all for you. That's what her assets are doing. PD, just maybe they've recaptured it, the level, but that 886 is violated. Maybe it's a type 2. Down 2.72% today. Verdict's out on this one. It could be a low risk area. This could be it, man. I just don't trust this trash. If Kathy owns it, I don't want to own it, man. Not really. Impeccable. That's it. That's her fund, ARK. Which, interestingly enough, because of Tesla, it's kind of okay. Got some higher lows going somehow. I don't know, man. If you ever get above 48.60 for real, you're probably in good shape for way higher prices. Just not yet. It's actually not too bad. Can't believe
What
it.
is the only cryptocurrency that you should invest?
DogeCoin! Just the individual assets is just like, nah, man. I would just own something else. Okay. Dang, man, we've been live an hour. There it is, chat. There it is. We did it, chat. It's a new day. Let's go to Bitcoin. Take a look at it. That's a pretty cool candle on the 4 hour, if you ask me. A hammer has been confirmed and painted, and the hammer just happened to back test the creek. Better have on your boots, your waterproof boots, because we did. And, chat, more Jesus chimes.
Look here. Look, listen.
Well, never mind. Look what they did, man. Remember, if there's buyers come in today, then we'll get a positive histogram. Well, maybe today's the day after the back test. Today, we have 24 hours to see what buyers are made of. But if today closes with bids, you will have your first positive histogram wick since June 7th. Who knows, man? I do like that they did really back test it, confirmed. I like we're above the 40 on the RSI on the daily. There's a chance, man. Seems like all hope is lost. But it's not yet. It's not quite lost all the way. That's it, man. Life support. Life support until hype returns. All we can do is just make our money. Amen. People want to learn. When we're making money, fine. Be here. Do all I can. But if you want parties, this stupid crap right here, this asset of all assets, it's the one that has to go up. If you ever want to see a pizza party, crazy, let's get drunk, dude, let's turn on music, all the decibels, all the fixins, it's got to be this one. So we're just going to keep waiting, and again, making money on real markets while we wait for Bitcoin to turn it around. Thanks for likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. I'll be back. Until next time, respect the TA.
that shit was spicy. You guys, you know, like the double spicy ramen noodles? Crazy. Cycle Pearl said I'm 120, is 121 Fahrenheit where I'm at. Palm Spring, Cali. Yeah? Shit. 121 degrees? Fuck that. If it's 90 degrees here, I'm dying. And it's probably humid as F. I don't know why I'm saying as F. I sound like a teenager who's like in front of his mom who can't swear. 121 degrees Fahrenheit, humid sounds like ass. I'm not gonna lie. I saw in Vegas. In Vegas, it was like 100 and... Dude, you guys ever go and look at the weather thing and like just look at random places?
It's 121 F where I'm at. Palm Spring, Cali.
In Vegas. What's it in Vegas right now? In Vegas. Dude. Dude. How would you live in this? I would never want to live in Vegas. I would never want to live in Vegas, bro. This is every day. I don't know if you guys can focus on that. Dude, that's every day. There's no escape. There's no escape. Look at that. 107, 111, 111, 115. You guys see that? You guys see that? Screw that. That sounds like an ass. This is every day is 110. Oh my god. Check Palm Springs. Palm Springs. Cali or Florida? Oh my. Dude. 118? Dude, I 118. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Feels like 90 degrees at 8:10 at night. Oh shit. Now Vegas is great when it's not the summertime. But Vegas in the summertime is ass. Or at least it looks like it's ass. I've been there during the summertime and it was ass. You didn't want to be outside at all. You just want to stay in the little casinos and walk around.
Santa Cruz. Cool face.
Look at my city. It's not look at my old coin. It's look at my city. Look at my city, Joe. Look at my city. That's funny. Look at my city. The heat without humidity isn't bad. True. If you're going down to like Florida and you got 120 degree days in Florida, you're screwed. You are screwed. That's why over here in New York, dude, in New York it is so humid here. Dude, in the summertime, you wouldn't think. You guys know I'm from Boston. In Boston, there's almost no humidity. Dude, the first summer I came down here, dude, it is so humid here. I would never thought it was humid in New York. It is humid as shit. When it's 95 degrees, it literally feels like death. It's horrible, man. In Boston, when it was 95, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. Now it's hot as shit. Jordan hates my town. You don't even look at it. No, Hops, I forget what you told me. I know you live in Florida. I wanna say it's near Tampa. I could be wrong though. It could be wrong. Let me look up Tampa. I'm just curious what. Oh, Tampa's not bad right now. It's 93. All right, guys, on that note, hopefully we can get Bitcoin to bounce. All right, guys, so let's all hope for a fantastic, fantastic 4th of July week. Let's all hope for some fireworks for the crypto markets. We got Bitcoin that could still fill the CME gap below us, so we could go a little bit lower, but Bitcoin in general is at support, and let's see if we can get some fireworks. We got altcoins that are at very critical levels. Solana right at resistance, Cardano right at resistance, Polkadot right at resistance, AVAX right at resistance. But if we can get Bitcoin to inch up a little bit, we probably see these get smashed. All right, and we could see some fantastic, fantastic fireworks
Look up Death Valley.
during the holiday week/weekend. It's kind of weird. 4th of July is on a freaking Thursday. It's weird as hell. But I'll be back on Saturday. Hope everyone enjoys your holiday week. I'll be gone for 3 days. I'm probably going to be rusty as hell when I come back. Probably going to be red. Probably be a little hungover as well. But it'll all be worth it. All right? So take care. Spend some time with friends. Spend some time with family. Have some drinks. Drink some boxed wine. Get like Clint.
All right, everybody, we're going to reset the stream. We're right at 47 hours. Twitch already reset it. That's 2 hours ago, and I just realized that. So we're going to go ahead and take advantage of this and reset the stream. All right, we'll be right back, everybody. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next episode of Dream Takes TV and ReinHardt's Madness. Yeah, take it easy, buddy. Later, later. BRB, buddy. BRB.
What is the only cryptocurrency that you should invest?
DogeCoin!
It's the people's currency, you know it's the best. The most fun and ironic crypto, that is for sure.
So crypto!
We're taking DogeCoin to the moon.
To the moon!
And if a broker says, listen, you can't get rich with DogeCoin, say stonks. But even Daddy Elon knows it's the time to join.
Much fun!
Cause fate loves irony. Therefore we're passing Bitcoin soon.
Elon Gene Snoop!
Take this little puppy to the moon. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, never sell.
Much rich!
Buy more, buy more, buy more, buy more, it's doing well.
Such high!
hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, never sell.
Much value.
Rising, 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 I can tell.
Very trading.
Shut up and take my money. This meme coin is looking funny. Let's write history together. In Doge we trust.
Much trust.
Jump on the hype train, bros. Cause even Snoop Doge knows it's going up. Don't drop it when it's hot. Doge is the only cryptocurrency that you should invest.
DogeCoin.
It's the people's currency, you know it's the best.
Please buy.
The most fun and ironic crypto, that is for sure.
So crypto.
We're taking DogeCoin to the moon. DogeCoin to the moon. DogeCoin to the moon. DogeCoin to the moon. DogeCoin to the moon.